Today we are going to learn how to turn this into this. A baby food that is made fresh, that is also healthy, and has a lot of protein. Here we go. It is best to prepare your rice the night before, but don't worry. All we have to do is boil a cup and a half of water and put it in a thermos with a quarter cup of rice and let it sit overnight. Now that it is morning, we can start by boiling 2 cups of water. While your water is heating up, we can chop up the vegetables. Now that it is boiling, you can throw in your carrots, broccolis, and potatoes, and your salt or nam huong. Nam huong means shiitake mushroom, which has a salty taste, and it is used as a traditional medicine. Okay, let these cook for 4 minutes. Okay, it's been 4 minutes, so let's throw in the green onions and cilantro for an additional 4 minutes or until all the vegetables are soft. Now that all the vegetables are soft, you can add in your meat and cook it for about 5 more minutes. Make sure your meat is cut thin so it will cook quickly. Now that the meat is ready, pour it into the blender and blend it into a creamy paste. Now we can finish up with the rice. Pour your thermos into your pot and add about a half a cup of water. We want to make sure that the water level is about the same height as the rice. Now bring it to a boil and then lower the heat to a simmer. We will simmer it for 5 minutes for 8-month-old and above. And for 6 and 7-month-old babies, we will simmer for about a total of 10 minutes. This will make the rice a little bit smaller. And make sure you stir it a lot because the water will overflow or the rice will burn. Alright, it's been about 6 minutes, so let's pour our creamy paste into our rice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!